Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to upload images on Deepseek. First of all, you can open the Deepseek application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the plus icon at the middle right of the screen. You can just simply tap on it. In my case, uploading files is unavailable. So after tapping on plus icon, the gallery is open to your Deepseek account. You can just simply select the picture and write a command. Now send it to the Deepseek, and it is a way you can upload image on Deepseek. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted code, that's like I do. Try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.